Today we're installing our H207 Highliner headliner in a 1967-72 Chevrolet C10. This overhead console and speaker system adds 4 speakers, a radio mounting location, and a clean factory-style appearance without cutting up your dash or door. The Highliner shown in this video has been custom painted to match the truck's interior. All Highliners come standard in a black textured finish and can be installed as is or painted to match your vehicle. Included with the kit is the Highliner assembly, installation pad, 4 speakers, mounting hardware, and everything needed for the installation. Begin by removing the sun visors and dome light. On most 67 to 72 trucks, the rearview mirror can simply be loosened rather than removed, making it easier to position the Highliner during installation. Next, test fit the Highliner by securing it with the factory sun visor mounting points. Make sure the Highliner is properly aligned and fits tightly against the roof before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the fitment, use an 1/8" drill bit equipped with an 1/8" drill stop to pre-drill the perimeter mounting holes. The drill stop is essential as it helps prevent the drill bit from penetrating the outer roof skin. Take your time during this step to ensure each mounting hole is properly positioned for the best possible fit. With the test fit complete, carefully remove the Highliner and place it on a clean, stable work surface. Next, position the foam insulation pad on the back of the Highliner, using a few pieces of painter's tape to temporarily hold it in place. Trim the foam as needed around the sun visor mounts, speaker openings, and any other obstructions. The foam should fit snugly without interfering with the mounting holes or the outer edges of the Highliner. Next, route the speaker wiring through the pass-through hole and into the Highliner. As you connect the wire to each speaker hole, label the wires to match their location. Taking a few extra minutes to label everything now will make final installation and future service much easier. Once all 4 speaker wires are labeled and routed, you're ready to install the Highliner for the final time. Carefully reinstall the Highliner into the truck. As you raise it into position, route the wiring through the radio console opening so it stays accessible and does not get pinched. Line the Highliner back up with the factory visor mounting points, then reinstall the sun visors to help hold everything in place. Once the unit is properly aligned and sitting tight against the roof, secure it using all 16 perimeter mounting screws. Work your way around the Highliner evenly, making sure each screw is snug without over-tightening. Before the speakers go in, slide a U-clip onto each mounting hole, lining it up with the notch. These give the screws a real threaded point to bite into, instead of just chewing through the plastic over time. Don't skip this step. Next, the foam baffles go in behind each speaker. They keep the speaker from touching the roof sheet metal so you don't end up with rattles over bumps. Then wire the speakers up, red to positive, black to negative, and tuck the excess wire behind the speaker. Then seat the speaker and grill into the opening. Start with all 4 screws, then tighten them in a crisscross pattern so it seats evenly. Snap the grill on to cover the screws and repeat for the other 3. And that's it. Your Highliner is fully installed, wired up, and ready to enjoy every drive from here on out. If you want to grab one for your own truck, head over to tpdhifi.com.